Hello and welcome to English Spark. My name is Mia.
And I'm Leo. Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are joining us today to learn some new English words.
That's right, Leo. And today, we have a very useful topic. It's something we talk about almost every day.
Oh, I know this one. We're talking about the weather.
Exactly. We are going to learn lots of words to describe the weather. So, let's start with our first word, weather. Weather is what it is like outside. Is it raining? Is it sunny? That's the weather.
Right. A very common question in English is, what's the weather like today?
Yes, a perfect question. So, let's learn how to answer it. Let's start with lovely weather, my favorite kind.
Me too. Let's talk about the sun. The sun is the big yellow star in the sky that gives us light and heat.
And when the sun is shining, we can say the weather is sunny. Sunny is our next word. It's an adjective. For example, it is a beautiful sunny day.
I love sunny days. On a sunny day, it can be hot. H-O-T, hot. Hot is when the temperature is high, like in the summer.
Right. You might say, wow, it's so hot today. I need some water.
Exactly. Sometimes it's not very hot, but just a little bit hot. Then we can use the word warm. W-A-R-M. Warm.
Warm is very pleasant. Not too hot, not too cold. For example, I like to sit outside on a warm evening.
That sounds lovely. So we have sun, sunny, hot, and warm. All great words for good weather.
But Leo, the weather isn't always sunny. Sometimes we look up and see a cloud, or many clouds.
Ah, yes. A cloud is one of those white or gray things that floats in the sky. C-L-O-U-D, cloud.
And when the sky is full of clouds, we say it is cloudy. C-L-O-U-D-Y. Today is not sunny, it's cloudy.
That makes sense. And often on a cloudy day, something falls from the clouds.
Rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Rain is the water that falls from the clouds.
Yes, you can say, it is starting to rain, or I hear the rain on the window.
And if you go outside in the rain without an umbrella, your clothes and hair will get wet. Wet, W-E-T, is our next word. It means covered in water.
Right. My shoes are wet because I walked in the rain. So cloudy weather often brings rain, which makes things wet.
Now, sometimes the weather is more than just a little rain. Sometimes it's very strong. We call this a storm.
A storm. S-T-O-R-M? That sounds serious. A storm is very bad weather with strong winds and a lot of rain.
You said a new word there, Leo. Wind, W-I-N-D. Wind is moving air. You can't see it, but you can feel it.
That's right. And if there's a lot of wind, we say the weather is windy. For example, it's a windy day, so hold on to your hat.
Good example. And sometimes during a storm, you hear a loud noise and see a bright flash of light in the sky. This is a thunderstorm.
Ah, a thunderstorm. So that's a storm with thunder and lightning. They can be a little scary.
They can. So, a storm is bad weather, often with wind, and a thunderstorm is a storm with thunder and lightning.
Okay, we've talked about hot and warm weather. What is the opposite of hot?
That would be cold, C-O-L-D. Cold is when the temperature is low, like in winter. You need to wear a jacket when it's cold.
Brr, yes. I feel cold. Can you close the window? And when it is very cold, something special can fall from the clouds instead of rain.
You mean snow? S-N-O-W. Snow is soft and white. It falls in the winter in cold places.
Exactly. The children are playing in the snow. I love the snow.
Me too. Now, what happens to water when it gets very, very cold? It turns into ice. I-C-E. Ice is frozen water. It's very hard and very cold.
That's right. You put ice in your drinks to make them cold. But you must be careful in winter. You might see ice on the road.
We have one last type of weather for today. It's when the clouds are very low, on the ground. It makes it difficult to see far away.
Oh, you mean fog. F-O-G.
I do. And just like with clouds and wind, we have an adjective for it. When there's a lot of fog, we say it is foggy.
Right. So you can say, I can't see the mountains today because it is too foggy. Driving a car on a foggy day can be dangerous.
Wow, Leo, we have learned so many new words today. Let's do a quick review.
Great idea, Mia. Let's see what we remember.
Okay, when the sun is in the sky, the weather is
Sunny.
correct. And in summer, the temperature is high. It is
Hot. Or if it's just a little hot, it's warm.
perfect. What is the water that falls from the clouds?
That is rain, and it makes you wet.
Great. And what do we call very bad weather with lots of wind and rain?
A storm. And if it has thunder, it's a thunderstorm.
You're doing great, Leo. Okay, in winter, the temperature is low. It is
Cold, and soft white stuff might fall from the sky. That is snow.
yes. Last one. What do we call it when low clouds make it hard to see?
That is fog, and the weather is foggy.
Excellent. You remembered everything. And I hope our listeners did too.
That was a great lesson. Now everyone can answer the question, what's the weather like today?
Yes, try to look outside your window and describe the weather using our new words. Thank you so much for listening to English Spark today.
We had a great time teaching you. Join us next time for more English words. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.